Hey Tom, this is specifically for you guys at Anderson. I wanted to show you what I did with the push-off table and everything here. So previously, the overhead dust collection was here, and I want to say, I can't remember how far we were down from the end here, but we were 76 inches from the end. And so when it would push parts off, the push-off would stop, and those 8-foot parts would end here, and this guy would close. That means the last 2 feet of parts didn't get any vacuuming in it. So the first thing we did is we ran this all the way to the end of the X to see how far it is, and then we unbolted it and moved it down, and now we are, let me grab my tape here, from the end we're about 26 inches to the center on it. And that allows it to where now we've got 96 inches is right here, so when the conveyor is running, it's pushing parts off, our 8-foot parts get fully through the vacuum. And the other thing we did is we adjusted the vacuum, or the pressure on these guys to where this closes really slow. And so let me show you what we're talking about. I've got a piece of scrap on here that represents, this would be the end of an 8-foot panel. We're gonna go ahead and tell it to offload. So we're offloading. Our dust collection port is opened here. It's open on the CNC, and it's pushing it off. And so it comes down, like I said, it's about this guy closes really slow now, and so everything passes through the conveyor before that closes, so it vacuums everything off the top, and that helped us a whole bunch with our dust collection.